sorry.
Oh, come in, come in. Thanks. You must be Michael. Yeah. You know, I used to have 3 secretaries. Now I have to make my own coffee and give myself a happy ending. See, the ships are coming in, but the walls will hold us.
Nelson in Naples.
No, I said Mars, you cocksucker.
Que vento gelado, velho.
Solar Orion. 2.
Devin Weston said you were a fan.
Huge fan.
Tell me, Michael, Devin Weston, does he want you to bump me off?
No, not at all. He said you were retiring, might need some help on the movie.
Only assholes retire, Michael. Him and my son, they want to put me out to pasture so they can turn this place into condos or a theme park or something.
But this place is a dream factory.
Well, maybe they have different dreams. Some days, I don't mind. You know, they always say, never work with children or animals. Well, I want to add to that list. Never work with directors or actors. This picture is going to kill me.
So what's it about?
Set. Meltdown. It's all being shot on green screen right out back there. We take a look at the financial crisis, and then we boil it all down into a really simplistic battle between 2 yuppies. Lots of training montages.
So what's the problem?
Milton McElroy. I cast him in the second lead because he's cheap. 0 talent, incidentally. Well, he's got this new agent, Rocco Pelosi. He's been hassling us about renegotiating the deal. So now, he's holding up shooting until he gets paid.
That sounds problematic.
It would be if the director wanted to shoot. Anton Bodenled. Ever heard of him? That doesn't surprise me. Now he's having a mental breakdown, pissing all over himself who knows where.
All right. Looks like you got yourself that new assistant. But no happy endings.
I love you already.
Hey, Solomon. I'm just doing that thing.
Good, good. Now, I realized in my excitement, I forgot some details.
Yeah, it seemed obvious. You want this Pelosi guy clipped.
No, God, no. Is that an option? No. Bad idea, bad idea. No clipping anyone. Just teach him some manners. He's also in my director's ear as well, if you'd believe it. So teach this punk a lesson and bring the talent back to set. Ideally, in a more collaborative mood.
I'll see what I can do. They all gonna be at the club?
I'm told it isn't a club so much as a rat pit. Anton and Milton are supposed to be there, and Pelosi's on the way to pick them up. He's taking them to his lawyer to sign the contracts. So if he hears there's someone from the studio coming, he'll get him out fast.
All right. I'll go in quiet. See you on the set, boss.
Johnny, you nearly got the club. We're finally a go. And you take care of these guys. No cold feet. Okay? Let's go.
Ah, não era pra eu ter pegado o... Como que fala? A arma pra atirar no cara, não era pra ter isso tudo com a mão, cara.
Hello? This is restricted access. Stop this. Yeah.
There you are. Mr. Richards has been worried sick. You get lost, Wrinkles?
Who's this jackass? Hey, you!
Oh, turns out these guys are in love with their contract. They'll be going back to the set with me.
Can you believe this fucking clown? No! This guy's all mine!
We're gonna make a new deal. You leave my people alone, and I don't toss you off this roof.
Oh, yeah. Okay, sure, man, sure.
All right. Let's get back to the lot.
I don't know who you think you are.
Look, you can bully him, but you can't bully talent, buddy. We're not shooting until I get a new deal. Can't bully talent? Just watch me. You're gonna be a good boy when I'm done. I don't know who you think you are. Jumped up studio security? I ain't security. I'm Solomon's assistant. You will have fun to do what you do. You're making a movie. It's not a movie. It's a cliche. Listen, you idiots think movies are about saying something new. Now, where am I putting this thing down? When Taylor Weston came to do a studio visit, use the empty water tank. All right, then we'll do the same. We're there. The water tank in our parking lot. Setting it down.
I know Solomon is anxious to see you.
Look, I'm feeling a little beat up. How about I call my guy, go in a little telly, and call Solomon from wherever I wake up in the week?
How about you see him right now, and we go flying again if you even look like you fell a piss test at any point on this shoot.
What a wonderful surprise. Anton, my boy. You're an artist, I know that. And this story is the best kind of art. A simplistic, cliche-ridden pile of dross that you will turn into magic. Get a grip? I love ya.
So Solomon, Milton here has a little something he wants to say to you. Say it.
I just want to say that I'm sorry for any misunderstanding, sir, and I appreciate all the opportunities that you've given me.
Of course. Michael, what can I say? You're a natural. I love you.
You're too kind.
No, I mean, I don't need to presume. But would it be okay if I gave you a shout? This shoot seems cursed for some reason or another. I need an associate producer.
I'd love that.
We'll talk soon. I gotta go.
Oh, hell yeah.